very prophetic yung sinabi ni Pope John Paul II, Saint Pope John Paul II, na talagang ang huling digmaan ay magaganap sa loob ng pamilya. Sabi ni Sister Lucia of Fatima, the devil's final battle will be waged against the family.
Wow.
Because the family is the domestic church. If the devil succeeds in destroying the family, it succeeds in destroying the church. Those who are on the side of good must make a stand. You may be canceled, you may be derided, but you know in whose side you are. You are in the side of God, and God is the author and source of life. He is the Father of all families. So doon tayo kumakampi. Dahil pagdating ng araw, kapag tayo pinapili, batas ng Diyos o batas ng tao, masasabi natin, we ought to obey God rather than men. Dahil ang paghusga ng Diyos ay mayroong effect sa walang hanggan. Samantalang yung paghusga ng tao, dito lang sa mundong ito. Mas importante ang ating eternal destiny. Kaya wag nating isugal, wag nating paglaruan ito. Maari ngayon, hindi makita ng mga tao, hindi nila makuha kung saan tayo nanggagaling, kung ano ang ating pananaw.